In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an invoice from Temu in 2012. Whether you're managing personal expenses or overseeing a business account, having a record of your purchases is important. So let's dive right into this straightforward process to retrieve your invoice. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to the Temu website. Once you're at the main page, you should see the typical layout with various categories and options. Your next step is to navigate to the orders and accounts section. This can usually be found in the upper right area of the page, often under a drop-down menu where your account details are located. Clicking on orders and account will take you to a detailed list of your past purchases. Now you'll want to select the specific item for which you need the invoice. This means scrolling through your list of orders and choosing the one in question. Make sure you're selecting the correct date and item to avoid any confusion later on. Once you've located the item, click on it to bring up the order details. This will provide you with a comprehensive view of the transaction. Within these details, you should see an option labeled View Order Details. Clicking here will further expand the information related to your purchase. It's always a good idea to take a moment to review this page to ensure all of the information aligns with your expectations and records. Now look for the View Receipt link. By selecting this link, you'll be able to access the actual invoice. At this stage, you will see your invoice displayed. This document is crucial as it serves as your official record of the transaction and can be used for returns, record keeping, or reimbursements. Examine the invoice to check that all details, such as the item description, price, and date, are correctly listed. If you need a hard copy of this invoice, there's a simple way to get it. You can print the receipt directly from the website. On the invoice page, there should be an option that says print receipt or something similar. By clicking on this, you can send the document to your connected printer. It's often helpful to save a digital copy as well. Simply select print to PDF if you don't need a physical copy right away. And there you have it, a complete guide to accessing and printing your invoice from Temu. This simple process ensures that you maintain good financial records, which is not only beneficial for personal tracking, but can also aid in any financial audits you might conduct or participate in. I hope you found this guide helpful, and feel free to return anytime you need a refresh on how to navigate your online account. Thank you for watching and happy shopping!